No need to panic, but you have only 24 days left to do your holiday shopping. But lucky for us, Yelp is here to help. Emmy Hart is here with a great deal that Yelp has for you. Good morning to you.
Good
Thanks
morning.
For coming in.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, so tell us about what you brought today.
Well, every year we promote Shops Local, because that's what Yelp is all about. We're a great way to find the best local businesses in your area. And Blank Canvas is one of my favorite local businesses to go shopping with every year during the holidays. And they do wonderful custom t-shirts for men and women. And it's a really great way to go DIY without all the work.
Right.
Yeah.
So Sandy, you're a partner with Blank Canvas. Tell us about how it works.
So basically, we have over 1,500 pre-designs. You can come in, choose a design, we can get it printed in 5 or 10 minutes. Or you can bring in your own design if you have something creative you want to do.
Right, and you have all types of shirts, all types of cuts.
So they've got
Yes.
And all sizes.
Yeah. We have hats, bags, beanies. We got everything.
So when folks can bring this in, can they bring in pictures, or is it just designs that they can put on T-shirts?
Pictures or your own artwork.
Well, Sandy actually brought this for you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's going to be adorable on you. Oh, wait,
Gosh.
we got one for you, too.
Look at that. Can we get a close-up shot there of the...
Wow.
I'm sure that I'll be wearing
this proudly.
the soon-to-be collector's items.
Absolutely.
You're going to have to, I mean, I know you're going to want to wear it every day, but try to wash it when you can.
Gosh, people are going to rip this off me, I know. It's going to be hot on the street.
Wow.
So Blank Canvas, I call it Blank. Blank Canvas is on Bethel Street?
Yes.
And downtown?
1149 Bethel Street.
Terrific. And
What's the time frame for folks so that way they can get this in for Christmas in case they all want to get one?
An I Love Joe or an I Love Paul set.
Yeah.
It's going to be the rage.
For digital prints, it's 1 to 3 days.
Oh, okay.
Just give us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you.
Great.
Fantastic.
And you get a deal with Yelp, right?
Yep. So you check in on your Yelp app and you get 10% off.
Easy, easy. So yeah, support local businesses and save money. Sounds like a good plan.
And you too can be just as styling as me.
I know. Get them while they're hot. Thanks. Thanks so much.